the RD&E program at Western Ag's about looking at pipeline products. When that product does hit the market, we can hit the ground running. We know what it's about, we've seen the trial data, and our clients can have the faith in the fact that the proof's in the pudding. We've seen it work. We're in the Western District of Victoria. Primarily we grow wheat, barley, canola, beans. Particularly this year, it's been very wet. It started raining and sort of didn't stop. Very low light days, so crops are quite slow in the winter and struggle their way through in a really wet year. Disease is probably our number one battle for most of the year. In particular, Septoria. That rain splash, which tends to spread that Septoria up the canopy, if untreated, can defoliate the plant. Septoria is certainly a bit of a hidden beast. If you're caught sleeping, it's a hard one to catch. The programmed approach is a 2-spray strategy. Our number one go-to on Septoria has been epoxiconazole. It's great on Septoria, but there's known resistance out there and we need to protect it. Certainly a strategy I have with my growers is to try and rotate fungicide groups as much as we can. Within the year, we have the opportunity to use an epoxiconazole up front and follow that by a completely different mix later on in the season. We had a trial with Corteva looking at Adavelt active. So there's double ups of epoxiconazole, one early, one late, and then we had different mixes using that Adavelt active with a whole lot of common mix partners. We know the product works. It's about coming up with the best strategy on how we manage that Septoria. It's utilising different chemistries and making sure that we mix that up with this new chemistry coming through, which then allows us to hit that Septoria hard when we want to. An approach for me where the Septoria is at a manageable level, I'll come in with a full rate of epoxiconazole at late tillering GS30 with a broadleaf, and then I'll come in with something like Adavelt active around that 39 stage. So control it early, get it under control, and then protect at that GS39 stage.